Introducing Williams 72 Ford Mustang Convertible. Look at this beauty. Oh, Scotty, your butt's in the pic. Oh, whatever. It's fine.
Were you whistling at my butt?
I was whistling at the car, but you can have delusions of grandeur if you'd like. So anyway,
I just like the delusion part.
look at this beautiful 72 Mustang Convertible. Manual trans. It's got a 5-speed, boys and girls. And under the hood, we have a 351 Windsor with Holley Sniper EFI. And it's better. Headers, exhaust, everything. So we're going to be doing a full inspection today. There's a few little notes that William has given me to go over that are already known little issues. But we're going to get this baby inside and we'll go for there. God, it's beautiful.
Put him back in your truck.
Oh yeah, good idea, Bernsey. Look at that. I love these. All right. So here we are under hood of the Mustang. Everybody note. Hi, Scotty.
Hey!
Everybody note, we got very nice Holley Sniper EFI installed. We've got HEI, GM style HEI, which everybody likes to complain about, but I like it. It's got very modern Wiltwood dual bowl master over there. Very nice, nicely done. Some nice shorty Hedman headers, which one complaint customer has had is that it has an exhaust leak. And also, it does idle kind of high. But we do have some adjustments to do. He did send a bracket with us to add to where the throttle cable is in hopes of getting us better resolution on the throttle. Because it's kind of like an on-off switch, Bernsey.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yep, but I did test drive it. It moves really well. It drives well overall.
Sounds beautiful, too.
Sounds beautiful. So we're going to get this up on the lift here in a minute and do an inspection of the underside, just go over everything. One thing we did notice, and the customer saw it when he was here, these shocks are toast, obviously. But, oh. Hey, Bernsey.
Yes, sir.
Listen to that.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's the shock. But he has expressed interest in doing coilovers on the car, so we're going to kind of spec that out for him.
That'd be nice.
Way better. Yeah. So, I say we need to, I'm going to do that one bracket real quick for him, and then we'll get it up on the lift and do an underside inspection.
Sounds wonderful.
You'll help me on that.
Sounds good.
And we'll have one. So first order of business, customer's first complaint was a hard pedal, and the resolution was just too immediate to idle half throttle. So this was down here. Of course, that was bolted straight down onto the manifold itself. And problem is, and it's a common problem with the Sniper EFI, is a lot of people complain about it. So they sell an extension bracket, put your cable. All good, fine, dandy, happy. So I got to tighten these up. What we had to do is we had to get longer bolts here for the intake manifold and spacers so we could space up our throttle cable. And now we are happy as can be. I'm going to tighten everything up, and that should have much better resolution and throttle control. And be much easier. Right, so now that we got that all adjusted and raised up, it's actually idling better because it's not idling at a bajillion RPM. Much better. So, now we can get ready to put this on the lift and do our inspection. One other thing I want to see us replace is make this a proper and not some clamp nose on a barb, because I had to move this over just a little bit so I could get our bracket moved. And of course now it started leaking, so I tightened down the clamp. It's not leaking anymore, but that's just shoddy and dangerous. I want to put a real and in there. That would be awesome. But we're running better now. Here.